Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about consistency. So while going through my phone gallery, I came across this video. Apparently I filmed this video in 2021 and I still had it in my gallery, unlike the usual uploading them on either Instagram and then deleting the video. But this time around I kept this video. I didn't know why, and while going through the video I realized that I even filmed it properly. That is a landscape for YouTube. So through this video I was able to know that I've actually come a long way. I've been creating content for a long while, makeup tutorial, trying to teach people what I know for a very long time. So it just gave me the motivation that I needed to keep doing what I'm doing. Lately it's actually been very difficult to record a video and post it because now I have more responsibilities. There's work, there's family, and most times when I get my free time I just want to rest. But at that phase of my life where I'm looking at doing other things, I'm looking at working smart, I'm not working hard, I'm looking at ways to earn more, ways to make more money, especially as a creator. I'm looking at how can I put out my work and then earn from it. There's a lot of things that I know how to do, and I'm looking at ways to monetize these things that I know how to do. I know how to create makeup, I know how to teach makeup, a lot of things. So I'm at that phase. So coming across this video was the motivation I needed. That's okay, I'm doing a lot, I've been doing a lot, and I just need to continue doing what I'm doing. So that's all I want to discuss in this video. In this makeup I used majority of adventure products that I bought by myself. Thank you for watching and listening.